Good morning, children. Today we're going to learn how to read long I sound. Are you ready, children? Some long I words end with IVE letters. We may sound it as I've. I've. Please repeat, children. I've. For example, I've. I've. Hive. Hive. I've. I've. Five. Five. D. I've. D. I've. Dive. Dive. Let's read the words again. Hive. Five. Dive. Excellent. Some words end in I'm sound. I'm. Please repeat, children. I'm. T. I'm. T. I'm. Time. Time. M. I'm. M. I'm. Mime. Mime. L. I'm. L. I'm. Lime. Lime. Time. Mime. Lime. That's great. Some words end in ein sound. Ein. Please repeat, children. Ein. V. Ein. V. Ein. Vine. Vine. N. Ein. N. Ein. Nine. Nine. L. Ein. L. Ein. Line. Line. Vine. Nine. Line. Some words end in ice sound. Ice. Please repeat, children. Ice. For example, ice. Ice. Rice. Rice. Ice. Ice. Lice. Lice. Ice. Ice. Mice. Mice. Rice. Lice. Mice. Good job. Some words end with IE letters, and the sound is I. I. Please repeat, children. I. For example, T. I. T. I. Tie. Tie. P. I. P. I. Pie. Pie. L. I. L. I. Lie. Lie. Tie. Pie. Lie. Some words end with "ite" sound. Ite. Please repeat, children. Ite. 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 Night. Night. Ite. Ite. Light. Light. Ite. Ite. Right. Right. Night. Light. Right. Good job, children. Some long I words end in letter Y, but the sound is I. I. Please repeat, children. I. For example, cur, I. Cur, I. Cry. Cry. Der, I. Der, I. Dry. Dry. Fur, I. Fur, I. Fry. Fry. Cry. Dry. Fry. Keep it up.